is for their support. Are you expecting more troops and support from France and European friends?
Thank you. Yeah, I am really happy for the support the Greenlandic people, Greenland and the Kingdom of Denmark have had this last year. It is strange times, and we are also happy that, of the presence, military presence, and our friends, allies that contributes to that through in the frame of Arctic resilience in the frame of NATO. We are ready to discuss more. We are also ready to do more and do it more permanently in Greenland. So we are very happy for the support. We don't expect more now, but we will talk about it, and we are ready to do it more permanently. Actually, also a permanent mission in Greenland that can coordinate, because one thing we all agree on, the security of the Arctic and our region is important. That's something everybody agrees on. Let's talk about how we then do it better. And if you want a good security in the Arctic, you also know how to handle that and how to do that. And that's why the exercises are important. But thank you so much for being here today.